All right, I'm going to take you through the steps on how to cost out your recipe. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you go to the website and you see that the chorizo is $3.99 for 1 pound. It has changed since then. So we change it to, okay, 16 ounces. It is now $3.99. As you can see, it was $5.99. It's crossed out. So we're going to change that to $3.99. Then you're going to pull up your calculator and you're going to go $3.99 divided by 16. And you will get 25 cents. You're always going to round up. So 24.93, even if it's, under, then just always round up. So it's 25 cents. You're using 8 ounces in your recipe. You're pulling up your recipe here. So that's where your recipe comes in, and that's where you're going to get your recipe cost. So very simply, 25 cents times 8 ounces equals $2. So now we're going to change that because at $5.99 it was a little bit more. Now it is $2. So we'll change that 304 to $2. All right. So we'll do the chicken breast next. So as you can see here, I have it at $1.99 for 1 pound. And again, we'll see if the price has changed, which I believe it has. It's actually cheaper. So then we go to the website, we type in chicken breast. And we see that it is now $1.77 a pound. So don't worry about the $8.38 because you're going to have to cost out by the ounce. So it's now $1.77 per pound. So now we are going to divide 177 divided by 16 because 16 ounces equals a pound. And it comes up to 12 cents an ounce. So we got to check to see how much we are using in our recipe. So if you see there, we are using 32 ounces because there are 4 portions, or it yields 4. So it's 32 ounces. So it's actually 32. We can do it either way, but it's 384. So 12 cents times 32 ounces equals 416, or 384, I'm sorry. That's what it used to be. So that's what we'll do on that, okay? So let's do Monterey Jack cheese. Go again, you go to the website, and any store you want to shop at is fine, okay? I happen to, let's see, okay, so we're going to do Monterey Jack cheese. We look it up. I think it's still, the price is still the same. So we are going to do the block. It shows that is for 8 ounces is $2.39. So there it is. It's 8 ounces. You put 8 ounces in that first column, and it is $2.39. You put that in your second column, or your third column, I should say. And you'll do the math on that. So you'll just simply go 239, pull up your calculator, 239 divided by 8, and it comes up to 30 cents an ounce. So that should still be the same. So that should be 4 ounces there. It is 4 ounces. So again, 4 ounces multiplied by 30 cents. It should be 30 cents, not 34. Times 4 equals $1.20. So it stays the same because the price stayed the same. All right, and you just go through all these. So all of these columns here, they're for quality, or I should say quantity, is going to be what they cost. So like if I go to the website, you're going to find that salt is a 26-ounce container and it costs 49 cents. So let's go to the website and take a look. So you go through all of those and you put them in that quality and ingredient cost. So let's go through salt. Let's check salt. And we should find it at 49 cents for 26 ounces if we scroll down. And there it is right there, 49 cents. And as you can see, it is 26 ounces. And that's all. That's simply how you do it. All right. Let's check on garlic. Same thing. It shouldn't change. Garlic is going to be $1 for 2 ounces. And again, you could have used any of these if you wanted to. It didn't matter. I just went with the cheapest ones. So these are all the garlics here. And I believe it's on the, actually, it's on the very top. If you look on the very top, it should be on there. There it is. 2 ounces, right on the bottom, $1. All right, you simply do the math. $1 divided by 2, or I should say, yes, correct, $1 divided by 2. And then based on the recipe, it's coming up to 13 cents. So you'll do that to every one. Okay, we're going to do chicken stock. Oh, black pepper. Let's do black pepper real quick. And again, you're going to see that it is $3.79. It actually went up in price, and for 4 ounces. So it just went up a little, so that price would have went up, simply put. All right, let's take a look at, I believe, chicken stock, just so you know that one. Really simple, okay? So you'll see that it's $2.49 and 32 ounces. So again, 32 ounces under quantity, I should say. And then ingredient cost is $3.49 or $2.49. You go $2.49 divided into 32, and you'll get your cost per ounce, and then you'll just see how much you're using in the recipe, and it comes up to 56 cents. Same thing with butter. Again, 1 pound costs $3.29, and you get that same price. And again, do the math on that one. So again, we would go and pull up your calculator, $3.29 divided by 16, and it comes up to 21 cents an ounce. Obviously, if you see that it's 42, then I know that it's 2 ounces you're using on that recipe. So as you can see on that butter, we are using 2 ounces. So that's why it's 42 cents. So that's how easy it is, real simple. And then once you're all done, you're just going to add up everything on that last column, and you'll get the total cost of everything. And there it is, times 2. There's your 42 cents. So then again, like I said, you're just going to add up everything. Let's pull this up real quick. So yeah, just get everything added up here, all on those. You get $12.55. Again, some of those prices have changed. Then what you'll do once you get that, and again, yields 4, again, as you can see, yields 4, so then you're going to divide that $12.55 by 4. So we'll go ahead and pull up the calculator. $12.55 divided by 4 equals $3.13, but we make it $3.14 because we round up. And then we're going to go $3.15 divided by 4, or multiplied by 3, because we're going to, and that'll be your menu cost, at least $9.42 to make a profit. You always want to multiply it by 3 because you have the labor, you have the food costs, and then you have the overhead. The overhead is your electricity and all your equipment that you use, and that's how you get that.